Hey loves, welcome to my first college get ready with me. This is the Set Friday edition, and it is currently 7:30 in the morning, and I'm starting off by doing my makeup. I do have a 25% off code for you guys for these beautiful Morocco's Makeup Stiletto Essential Eye Brush Kit that they gifted me. And my favorite brush in this kit has to be the dual-ended eyeliner brush, which I'm using for my eyebrows. I'm taking the NYX or Nyx pomade for my brows, and I have it in the color Espresso. Everything that I'm mentioning, I will have it in the description box below. This is like my first time really doing my brows on camera. I really wanted to show you guys what takes place when I get ready in the morning and, you know, do my makeup or whatever. But I don't do my makeup every day, but since it's Set Friday, you know, I was getting really cute. And I'm just really excited to film this for you guys. But yeah, so I have sparse brows. Let me know if you want me to do like an in-depth tutorial on how I do my eyebrows and groom them, because I know you guys can't really tell that there's like hairs right there, but trust me, I just have like sparse brows, like I said. But the thing about this eyebrow brush is the fact that it has the spoolie attached to it at the end, so it makes blending out perfect, and it's just all in one brush, and the brushes are just so cute. So shout out to Morocco's Makeup, and make sure you guys use that code to get some coins off your purchase. But yeah, after this I'm going to be cleaning up my brows with the LA Pro Girl concealer, and I'm taking a flat brush and I just put a little bit on the brush, and then I carve out my brow shape. And this is in the color Cool Tan. This is the reason why I do my eyebrows first, because as you can see, I am truly taking my time carving them out to perfection. And brows just take like the longest, honestly. So that's why I always do my brows first. And then at the end, I just take that spoolie and I blend it out a little bit more just to make it more natural looking. Of course, it looks a little funny because I don't have the rest of my makeup done. But now moving on to my face, and I'm going to be priming my base with this Sacha mattifying primer. Rub that in, and you have to keep in mind I'm in Tallahassee, Florida, so it's like super duper hot, humid. So I have to keep my face as matte as possible because I have combination skin and my T-zone gets so oily and I don't want my makeup to slide. So I always make sure I start off with that. And my trick for melt-proof makeup is taking your setting powder after you've primed your face and just putting it in the areas that you know you're going to put concealer, and just areas that you know you get really oily quickly. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then I apply my foundation. I'm going to be using the Dior Forever foundation. And I put 4 little dots. Because I like to build, I don't really like to wear that much makeup. And then keep in mind, it's really hot. Who wants to have cakey makeup on their face? So I try to keep it very, very light, but just giving myself a flush of color on my face. And just kind of cover any of these dark spot blemishes. And then I'm going to be highlighting in the areas with the same LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Cool Tan, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, on the side of my lips a little bit, on my chin, and I don't really touch my forehead area. Like, you didn't see me use foundation on that area either because, once again, it's so hot, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a tan on my forehead. My forehead is just naturally dark, so I try to stay away from that because I feel like it makes my makeup look super duper ashy if I just mess with my forehead, so I avoid that area. But I'm taking this brush and I'm just blending out all the areas I put the concealer in, and then after that I'm going to be setting it with the same Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now I know I look a little ghostly right now, but once I contour and spray my face with the setting spray, everything will become seamless. And I kind of go over my eyebrows with the setting powder a little bit because, you know, when you tend to sweat, your eyebrows can slide, ladies. Like, that's one of my cool little tricks that I do. I kind of set my brows with my same setting powder. And I'm going to be taking my Black Up Cosmetics contouring palette. As you can see, I've already hit pan on the contour side. This is like my favorite contour palette. Like, I've just had this for the absolute longest. So I'm contouring and I'm going to rub it, you know, across my forehead as well, even though my forehead is already dark as can be compared to the rest of my face. So I go ahead and chisel out my face, add some more dimension. And I'm taking it on this little bitty fluffy blending brush and kind of like carving out on my nose as well. And now for my favorite highlighter. This is the Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter. I believe it's in the shade Peach, if I'm not mistaken. But once again, I'll have everything in the description box below. And I'm just highlighting my face. This is like my go-to highlighter, honestly. One of my absolute favorites. Doesn't matter whether it's winter, fall, spring, or summer. I'm always using this. And now I'm taking one of the brushes from the Morocco's makeup kit, which is like an eyeshadow brush, but I'm just taking that to highlight the bridge of my brow. And I also go on the tip and bridge of my nose. And now I'm taking the Diorshow mascara. I am going to wear lashes. I don't think I showed it, but I decided to put on the Ardell Demi wispies. You can never go wrong with Ardell Demi wispies. I feel like every girl should have that in her stash. But now moving on to hair. As you can see, I had 2 braids, so I'm doing this braid out. Now, you guys, my hair did not turn out how I wanted it to, simply because I did not let it dry all the way. Now, you guys are always like, oh my gosh, what do you mean? It looks fine. But like, for me, I know it can definitely look better than this. Like, it looked okay as I'm looking at the clips now, right here in this scene. But once I put my outfit on, you're gonna see that it blew up like tremendously. Like, it was just so damp, and I tried to diffuse it, and that was just a disaster. And I didn't use gel in this, I just used curl cream. And I think I only had the braids in for 2 days when I knew I should have left it in for 3 to 4. My hair just takes like 5 to 7 business days to dry. It's so annoying. So after I take this down, I'm just fluffing it out. I do have a more in-depth tutorial on how the braid out should come out, which I'll probably have at the end screen of this video. But yeah, this is how my hair is looking. I didn't want to pick it out too much because I knew it was going to blow up, especially in the Tallahassee humidity and rainy weather. It wasn't raining that day, but my hair has just been struggling since I got back because my hair has to just get used to the water here and just everything, just the humidity period. My hair has to get adjusted to it. And now moving on to my favorite part, the outfit. This is how my hair turned out, you guys. It got so big, I ended up taking like a black headband. But I have this really cute blouse, like white button-up blouse that's like off the shoulder from Fashion Nova. And the jeans are also from Fashion Nova. And then after that, I'm going to show you guys the shoes, which is my favorite part. I got these from MissLola.com. And that was like the highlight of my entire outfit. So that is basically my get ready with me on how I get ready for Set Friday. This was the first Set Friday. And if you ask me, I think I looked amazing. But yeah, that is basically it. Let me know if you guys want me to do more get ready with me's, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.